Hello everyone, my name is Ashton, aka Indian Caymanian, and I'm glad to be back making YouTube videos again for you guys. Recently, I've upgraded to a new gaming laptop. In this video, I will be doing an unboxing and review of the product and make comparisons to my old gaming laptop. But before we get started, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and of course, comment what you want to say. Anyways, let's get started. The unboxing experience straight up was very pleasant and satisfying indeed. It got me all hyped up, especially when I've been waiting for almost 3 weeks after my birthday. Starting off with the unboxing, we have got a 150 watts power cable, which is surprisingly light. Then for the main highlight here, we've got the gaming laptop itself. It was attached to some styrofoam and plastic bag with a cloth that reveals the MSI logo. Soon after, I uncovered to see the laptop, which was light as I heard, but I never expected it to be that light, and honestly, no complaints there. Of course though, I needed to peel the plastic from the top. Take it off. Let me tell you, it was pretty hard to take off at first. And opened the lid to see another cloth. Finally, the gaming laptop was at its full exposure with the beautiful carbon gray finish. Finally in my hands. There was some paperwork in the box that shows what it seems to be a help guide with some stickers, which looks decent and stylish to put on, and never forget that quick guide menu as well. Let me just tell you that the specs is more than great, even in a lightweight and slim laptop. This big boy holds specs of 144Hz FHD 1080p display, an Intel Core i7 11375H, 11th gen by the way, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 with 16GB of RAM and comes with 512GB of SSD with a Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 6, and of course it is installed with Windows 10 Home. But let's see how my new MSI Stealth 15M would compare and possibly dominate my old Dell G3 3590. To talk about portability, the charger of the Dell G3 is about 1.54 pounds. Meanwhile, the MSI Stealth power cable holds 1.04 pounds. The weight of the MSI is 3.73 pounds, with Dell G3 being at 5.14 pounds, which makes a significant difference. The specs for the G3 is a 60Hz 1080p FHD display with an Intel Core i5 9300H, which is a 9th gen, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti Max Q. I upgraded the product to be 20GB of RAM as it was originally 8GB. Same with the SSD as it's 1TB, but originally 512GB of SSD. Adding to that, there is a Thunderbolt 3 port. I have some charts and data which shows the performance of games at ultra settings, temperatures, and other aspects for each gaming laptop, and I will be crediting the sources who are Jared's Tech and Vortez. Anyways, enjoy. This will be a speed test of the boot ups between both laptops, and they will be timed by my stopwatch. As you can see, the MSI Stealth comes first at 8.16 seconds, along with the Dell G3 at 11.90 seconds. To give my overall input of the MSI Stealth 15M, it was a big upgrade. When I first got my Dell G3, I was like, yay, but at the same time, I was like, eh. It was decent, but didn't give me a full satisfaction. The MSI Stealth definitely great, and I was very pleased of what it has to offer, from the game performance to everyday use. I love it so much, and if I could give it a rating, it would be a 9.2 out of 10. I like the RGB keyboard and its portability with such great power. And when it comes to customizing your keyboard, it's a bit hard to adjust to, but you'll learn how to use it at some point. The Dragon Center is something I need to learn about when I'm playing games, and what scenarios I should use, the settings I should put on, or other features that they offer. It's been 3 days with the laptop, and I couldn't be much more happier. I will continue to enjoy my games and hope to keep it longer than I did with the G3. Anyways, it's been your old time YouTuber, Indian Caveman, and I'll see you next time.